What's the meaning of autonomic nervous system? Autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system.
Autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is a part of the nervous system that controls the involuntary functions of the body, such as heart rate, digestion, and breathing. It is responsible for regulating and maintaining the body's internal environment at a constant state, also known as homeostasis. It has two main divisions, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems, which work in opposition to each other to maintain balance. The autonomic nervous system is essential for survival and plays a crucial role in responding to stress, exercise, and other environmental factors.